in a mood to go to the waterfall, so I rented a motorbike and we're going to the waterfall close by here. It's only like 30-minute drive, but maybe for me it would be 40 or something. So let's go and see waterfall. Song is in my... This is the famous mountain view where people get photos here, and of course I already got mine, so why not? We're on our way to the waterfall now, and now just gonna walk for a little bit and then we're gonna make it there, so let's go. This is the waterfall we are going to, TakTak Falls. Guapa! I'm so ready to swim in the waterfall.
No. Yeah, you can jump.
There you go. Wow. We already finished swimming in the waterfall, and now this is peanut turon. This is my first time. Peanut turon. You can actually taste the peanuts. The peanut turon is so sweet. I don't think it's my favorite. Oh my god. Okay, I have more this one.
So yummy.
We are ready to go home, so let's go and see you in the next one. Bye!